I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by fully charging your Bullet's wireless Z2 to at least 20% battery. Power on the headphones by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. The LED will flash blue to show the headset entered pairing mode. On your Oppo phone, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Also enable location temporarily to improve Bluetooth scanning if your Android requires it. Keep the headphones close to the phone within 3 feet during setup for best results. In Bluetooth settings, tap Scan and wait until Bullet Z2 appears in the list. Tap Bullet Z2 and confirm pairing when the phone shows the pairing request. The phone will show connected, and the LED may turn solid to indicate success. If prompted, choose Media Audio to allow music and calls through the headset. Open any music app to test audio and adjust volume on phone and headset. If pairing fails, repeat, hold power 3 seconds to re-enter pairing mode and try again. To reconnect automatically later, enable Bluetooth and the Bullets will auto-pair when powered on. If you must reset the headset, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Check Bluetooth permissions in Oppo settings if the phone cannot discover the headset during pairing. Keep firmware updated via the companion app or OnePlus support pages if audio problems persist. Limit wireless interference by moving away from routers and other Bluetooth devices during setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.